Can we go to the beach? Yeah, okay. Go get ready. Okay, so I've already got the drink bottle. Yep. I've got my beautiful necklace. Hairbrush from when we come out. I love my pink highlights. Oh my gosh. Everything can't fit in. Gosh, why do I even got this bag? Little sis, we're gonna take everything out. Okay, I'll tell you what to carry. So, okay. Oh yeah. You've carried the phone. Wondering. Okay, your backpack is ready. I'll be back. Just going to get my hat. Okay, I got your skin hat, well, sunburn thing, so you don't get sunburn. Put that in that pink box. Put that in the pink box. Yeah. Oh, don't do that. You're gonna wreck it. Put the drink bottle inside. And put my glasses inside. Oh my gosh, my brush! Where's my brush? Give me my brush! I need to brush my hair. I need to look fantastic. Oh my gosh. And shape like you. Oh, you were just saying that on your phone, eh? Oh. Don't bother on your phone, okay? Okay, pop this back in. I'll be back. I'm just looking for my hat again. Oh, found this. Connect that together. Sorry. I'm sorry to break it to you. Okay, you can keep that here. Okay, you can't forget your baby suit. Okay, here's your togs. These are your togs. Okay. What did I get? Let me go see what I got again. Okay, I've got the supplies for our hair. Let's put it on now. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so sore. Ah, oh my gosh. Look at me on this. These are so hard to open. I'm going to go get scissors. Hello, this is me, but my mama is, but Chandler's not playing my mama, that's why I'm here. So, bye-bye. Sunny, come on. I'm here, little sis. Where's the hip hop? Pardon? Where's the hip hop? Who are you talking to? You. Me? Your big sis? Yeah. Oh. I don't know. Oh my gosh, finally! I opened it. Easy. Okay, so I am going to maybe take this out. Okay, I'm going to pat this in my hair. So I love the color yellow. Oh my gosh, I look so pretty. I love my bows. she was talking to her phone again. That's fine. Okay. Just one more thing. Can you make it into the water? Later. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! We got a cat finally. And said, baby, did you say that's yours? Because did you stop saying that? Okay? Yeah. So annoying. No. Yeah. I mean, for real. Yes. Oh, wait there. Doing something. Going to get a cat. Okay? That's my cat. Sure. I'll kick you out of the house. I said I'm buying a house. I'm buying